Hello and welcome to WeloMedia, your one-stop place for the latest news in tech and media. Today, we are talking about YouTube's big rise in the streaming world, the AR glasses battle between Meta and Snap, and Pinterest is showing us what's in trending this fall. Plus, we'll look at new developments in the AI, robotics, and more. Whether you love tech or are just curious about the future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. YouTube continues to lead as a top entertainment platform. The latest news on TV and streaming report shows that YouTube now makes up to 10.4% of all TV views in the United States. This is the first time a streaming platform has reached double digits, showing a big change in how we watch content. Streaming is now the main way people get their content, passing traditional broadcast and cable TV. As younger viewers choose platforms like YouTube over traditional TV, we are seeing a shift in how media is consumed. The future of TV is clearly streaming, and YouTube is leading the way. What do you think about YouTube's dominance in streaming? Do you watch more YouTube than TV? Let us know in the comments. And while YouTube is changing how we stream, the world of augmented reality is also making big moves. Snap and Meta are getting ready to show off their big next-generation AR glasses, which is a big step forward in digital connection. Snap CEO Evan Spiegel will reveal the fifth generation of spectacles, while Mark Zuckerberg will introduce Meta's first AR glasses, codenamed Orion. Both companies have been working on AR technology for years, but now the competition is heating up with Apple joining the AR space. Meta, with its partner EssilorLuxottica, has been able to make more user-friendly digital glasses, which have been in high demand. It will be interesting to see how these new developments shape the future of AR. Are you excited about the new AR glasses from Snap and Meta? Which one are you most interested in? Share your thoughts in comments below. And now, from high-tech glasses to how social media influences our spending, let's talk about how online ads are affecting our buying habits and the regrets that come with them. The impact of social media purchases. A recent survey by Wallet Hub showed that 70% of people have bought something through social media ads that they didn't need, and 63% regretted those purchases. Even worse, 18% of these purchases turned out to be scams. This shows the risk of the social media commerce, especially in Western markets where it hasn't fully taken off. As social media keeps changing, it's important for people to be careful when shopping online. The ease of shopping through social media comes with its own challenges, and it's clear that buyer beware is something to keep in mind. Have you ever regretted the purchase you made through social media? We'd love to hear your stories in the comments. Please write them below. Now, let's shift from social media to the latest seasonal trends. Pinterest has some exciting predictions for this fall. Let's check out what's hot in fashion, beauty, and home decor. Pinterest has released its latest trend update, sharing what's popular for fall in fashion, beauty, and home decor. Expect to see nature-inspired patterns, leopard print jeans, and balloon skirts leading the fashion scene this season. In beauty, honey brown curls and bow nail designs are on the rise, while green home decor and cozy sunrooms are trending in the home design. For marketers and brands, these trends offer valuable insight into what people are interested in right now. Pinterest continues to be a top platform for discovering new products, and these trends could help guide your marketing plans for the fall. As we look at what's trending now, it's also important to think about where technology is going. Recently, Meta and Nvidia had an interesting discussion about the future of personal technology. Let's dive into that. Meta and Nvidia discussed the future of personal technology. At SIGGRAPH, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang and the Meta's Mark Zuckerberg talked about the future of personal technology, focusing on how AR and VR and AI could change our daily lives. Zuckerberg sees a future where wearable devices replace smartphones, offering a more integrated and seamless tech experience. But Huang also raised an important ethical question about the impact of these technologies. As we move closer to this future, it's important to think about both the opportunities and the challenges that are coming with it. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you will always stay up to date in the tech and media field. While Meta and Nvidia are pushing the limits of personal tech, OpenAI is making moves in the media industry. Let's check out their latest partnership. OpenAI's partnership with Condé Nast. OpenAI has announced a multi-year partnership with Condé Nast to feature content from brands like Vogue and The New Yorker in its AI products, including ChatGPT and SearchGPT. This partnership aims to improve the quality of AI-generated content by including high-quality journalists, but in the same time, it also raises questions about AI's role in the future of media. As AI continues to play a bigger role in how we find and consume news, it's important to think about how these technologies will shape the future of content creation and media. What do you guys think about it? About AI's role in the future of media? Are you excited or are you rather worried about it? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. AI isn't the only field making progress. China is pushing the boundaries of robotics with its latest humanoid robots. Let's explore this race to build the workforce of the future. At the World Robot Conference in Beijing, more than 24 Chinese companies showed off their latest humanoid robots designed to work in factories and warehouses. China is aiming to lead the emerging robotics industry, similar to how it led the electric vehicle market. Tesla may have had a good start with the Optimus robot, but China's ability to mass produce at lower cost could make it a strong competitor in this space. As these technologies advance, we could see a big change in how industries operate. As China speeds ahead in robotics, Google is empowering its AI leadership. Let's look at the recent changes in leadership and what they mean for the future of AI at Google. Google has appointed Noam Shazir, the former head of Character, as the co-lead of its main AI project, Gemini. This move comes as Google focuses more on AI, aiming to keep its leadership position in the competitive AI landscape. With Shazir's experience and expertise, Google is in a good position to keep pushing innovating the AI sector, especially as competition heats up with other tech giants like Microsoft and OpenAI. And finally, let's take it to the sky with China's latest advancements in the drone technology. The country has just tested its largest cargo drone, and here's what it means for the future of logistics. China has successfully tested its largest cargo drone, which can carry up to 3.2 metric tons. This drone, developed by a company in the Hunan region, is a big step forward in China's push to develop a low-altitude economy which could be worth $280 billion by 2030. These drones are expected to change logistics by reducing delivery times and cutting transport costs, making a new era in cargo transport technology. Overall, it's been a mixed week for these tech giants, with some showing strength despite challenges, while others face investor doubts as they explore new areas. It's a changing landscape, and we'll be watching closely to see how these companies move forward in the coming weeks. What's your prediction for the next big move in tech and media? Write us down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more tech and media updates. Which news stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you next week right here on WeloMedia. Bye guys, have a great week.